In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add optional guests to Google Calendar events. This feature can be particularly handy when you're organizing meetings or events where attendance is flexible and you want to indicate that certain invitees are not mandatory. So, let's get started. First, you need to open Google Calendar on your desktop or mobile device. If you already have an event created, navigate to that event. You can either click on the existing event, or if you're starting from scratch, click on the Create button to begin a new event. Once you have your event window open, if it's an existing event, you'll see a pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Go ahead and click on that to enter editing mode. This is where you'll make all your changes. Now that you've got your event open and ready to be edited, let's move on to adding guests. On your desktop, you'll find the guest options over on the right side of the window. If you're using a mobile device, look for the Guests section. In this space, you'll enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Remember, after typing each email address, you need to press Enter to add that person to your guest list. This step ensures each invitee is officially included in your event. Next, let's address how to mark some of your guests as optional. On a desktop computer, hover over the guest name. If you're on a mobile device, just tap on their name. You'll see an option labeled Optional. Click or tap on this. When you do so, a small icon will appear next to their name on a desktop, indicating that they are an optional attendee. On a mobile device, it may show a message like Invitee Type, Optional. This visual cue is important because it clearly differentiates between required and optional attendees. Optional guests will still receive the invite, so don't worry about them missing out on any details. However, they won't be considered essential participants. Their RSVP options will look slightly different, clearly showing them as optional and indicating that their attendance isn't mandatory. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can effortlessly manage your event attendees, ensuring those who have flexible attendance are correctly marked as optional. This little feature can help streamline your calendar events and make them more efficient for everyone involved. Remember, by letting some attendees know their presence is not necessary, you can alleviate scheduling conflicts and make your event planning just a little bit smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you navigate the nuances of organizing your Google Calendar events.